Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a thermostat on a 97 F250 7.3. So I ordered the Motorcraft one. It's got the double-sided gasket on there. So it's just right down here. So the drain plug's stuck, so I'm going to make a pretty big mess. But so I'm just going to basically disconnect this hose, pull this off, and take 3 bolts down there off, and put the thermostat in. So I got a bucket straight down from here, it's catching everything. So it's 8mm, the 3 bolts. I'm going to be using the smaller Tecton set, 3/8 drive. This works great. This is my main set I use here. So, hop up here, get my socket down there, just like that. And hopefully don't break any. Okay, it's about to fall, so that's fantastic. Alright, so I'll do these other 2 real quick. Pulling it off now. Oh, there's the thermostat in there. It just doesn't work. Alright. So there's our bolt. It hasn't fallen yet, which is good. So this thing's kind of hot. So, get our pliers in here. Oh my gosh. That is in there. Looks pretty crappy. So a way to test these is you actually get some water and put it on the oven and sit this in there, and if it actually opens up like that, I mean this whole thing will open, then at a certain temperature, then it works. If it doesn't, that's crapped out. So this one I think was opening way too early because I never could get up to operating temperature. It was always at the cold side, even towing, no matter what. So this is a factory Ford OEM one, Motorcraft, part number something. And I just get most of my stuff off Amazon. I like to replace this, but I gotta go somewhere tomorrow, so it's gonna stay. So we're just gonna sit it in there. The coolant doesn't look too terrible here. Just like that. Okay, so now we gotta figure out how to get our bolt there. Oh, nope, it's gone forever. Crap. Place to buy some bolts since I lost one in the eternal abyss. So now I'm just going to clean this off real quick because it's quite nasty, and install it, and I'll keep you updated. Okay, so I got them tightened up, so I got them tight and a little more, so just don't break them. So now I'm going to put this hose back on. So here. Just like that. And so this tool, I think I got it off Amazon. It's like 30-something bucks, but it works really well. I like it. I just can't get to some things like this one. Alright, so let's see here. Now time to fill it up with coolant and start it up. So we're going to overfill it over here, and what that's going to do is it's going to go through here, through here, through here. Got it overfilled a little bit. Going to let it build up some pressure, and we're going to leave it. We're also going to push on this hose a little bit to try to get the stuff a little bit. So we're just going to let it idle up.